for the 21st century. And people don't know enough about it, especially people from the West don't know enough about bamboo. It's a lost material to humankind, therefore to humanity. We have to come back. The bamboo age has to come back to us. Bamboo age in the sense that it will help the world along to put Mother Earth back in healthy state, to nurture the health of Mother Earth in the face of Father Time. It breathes oxygen into the atmosphere. It keeps the CO2 away from the atmosphere, thereby translating the bamboo into a carbon sink for obvious utilization, if and need be. Humankind has to learn enough about bamboo, slowly and sure-footedly, to understand the material, the plant and its potentials, to bring it to fruition. In about 300 years, it will take center stage.